Vanakkam, welcome to my channel Thrive with Selvi. So today I am going to show you how to cook two different rice dishes which will elevate any simple meal into a great meal. I am going to cook coconut milk rice and jeera rice. Both are very popular in Indian subcontinent. The coconut milk rice is cooked with rice, spices and coconut milk. The spices and the coconut milk will add fragrant aroma and sweetness to the rice, and it goes very well with the kurma and all Indian curries. The jeera rice is made with spices, rice and cumin seeds. Jeera rice enhances the flavor of simple rice. It will go very well with aromatic curries and dhal. It tastes delicious with a mild fragrant flavor. These are all the ingredients we need for cooking the coconut rice, and these are all the ingredients we need for cooking the jeera rice. First, I am going to show you how to cook the coconut milk rice. You turn on the stove. Once it is hot, add the coconut oil and the ghee mixture. Now when the oil is hot, add the cinnamon, cloves, cardamom and the bay leaf. After a minute, add the finely chopped shallots and the green chilies. When the onion turns translucent, add the ginger and garlic paste. And saute for a minute, and after that add the chopped mint and cilantro leaves. Saute well until this mint and cilantro leaves are cooked. Now you can add the washed basmati rice and saute well until the mixture is coated well in the rice. And now you can transfer the rice to Instapot or rice cooker. So I am going to use Instapot today. Pour the rice mixture in the Instapot and add 1 cup of coconut milk. And I am going to add 1 cup of water. 1 cup of coconut milk and 1 cup of water. And I am going to add salt. And I am going to set the settings to the rice setting for 8 minutes. Now we can start cooking the jeera rice now. Use a heavy bottomed pan and add the ghee and oil mixture to the pan. Once the oil is hot, add the spices, the cinnamon, cardamom, cloves and the bay leaf, and also add the cumin seeds. The ingredients list is given in the description. Once the spices are cooked, you can smell the aromatic flavor of the cumin. So at this stage, you add the washed basmati rice and saute well until the mixture gets absorbed in the rice. Once it is absorbed, now you can add 2 cups of water. Add salt and mix well. and allow it to boil. Gently swirl in the middle when it is boiling. Once the rice is half cooked, now you can close it with the lid. If you close it with the lid in the beginning, the rice, the water will come out and it will spill on the sides. So you should wait until the rice is half cooked. Now you can reduce the flame medium to sim and then leave it for 4 to 5 minutes. Now all the water is absorbed and the rice is cooked. You can reduce the heat to a low now, and we can slowly mix the rice to see if there is any water left. It's all ready now. Now we can add the chopped cilantro to garnish the rice. Now the rice is cooked. We can turn off the heat now and close it with the lid and leave it for a few minutes. Now the rice is cooked and it is ready. So now both the rices are ready, and this is the coconut milk rice and this is the jeera rice. They smell so good. The coconut milk rice has the nice sweet coconut milk smell, and this jeera rice has a very aromatic smell of the cumin seeds. They look wonderful, and try it at home and enjoy it with your favorite curries. It will go very well with all the aromatic curries. And, thanks for watching my channel. See you all soon with more exciting recipes. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel.